Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make game application using ChatGPT platform. After making game application, you can monetize it with AdMob. You do not need to worry about any kind of investment. You do not need to worry about any kind of skills and experience. I'm going to share with you a step by step so you can watch this full video without skipping any part. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video, and if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can visit on ChatGPT platform. You can type your prompt. You can type your this kind of prompt. Now you can click on this button. You need to wait some time. Here you can see ChatGPT platform has generated HTML code for game application. You can click here to preview this game. This game is not working well. Type here another prompt. You can type here this kind of prompt. This game is not working well. Fix it and make it smoothly. Add polymer. Also make it for mobile device. Click on this button. You can see ChatGPT platform is fixing problems. You can click here to preview this game. You can type for a prompt, add buttons like start, high score and restart. Click on this button. Here you can see ChatGPT platform has fixed all issues. You can click here to preview this game. Here is showing game name. Here is showing high score. And here is showing play button. You can click here to play this game. Now you can click here to restart this game. Now you can click here. Here is showing HTML code. You can click here to copy this HTML code. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can visit on App Creator 24 platform. Here you can see you can make your app for Android phones and tablets. You can click on sign up button. Now you can type here your name, you can select here your country, you can type here your email address, password. You can read and accept its terms of service. At last, you can click on send button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on create app button. Now you can type your app name. You can select your app icon. You can click here to upload your own app icon, or you can click on choose from gallery button. Here you can see there are a lot of app icons. You can choose any of this app icon. Now you can select your language. You can type your app description. Now you can click on next button. Click on next button. Click on create an empty app button. Click on go to app manager button. You can click on design button. Click on menu type button. You can select here this option. Click on save button. Now click on sections. Click on create section button. Select your HTML option. Now choose this option. Click on next button. Type your section title. Now you can remove this code. You can paste here your game HTML code. You can visit on ChatGPT platform. Here is showing HTML code. Click here to copy this HTML code. Now visit on App Creator 24 platform. Paste here that HTML code. Click on save button. Guys, if you want to monetize this game, then you can click on ads button. Here you can see you can monetize your game app with direct link, or you can monetize your game app with AdMob, App Next, Star.io, Unity ads, and there are many more. You can simply click here. Now you can paste your banner ads unit ID of AdMob. You can paste your interstitial ads unit ID of AdMob. You can paste your rewarded video ads unit ID of AdMob. If you want to monetize your game app with direct link, then you can enable this option. Here you can see ads are now active and generating revenue. No registration required with external advertising network. Payments managed directly by App Creator 24. Automatic interstitial ads. Guys, you do not need to worry about any kind of approval. After doing all these setups, you can click on download a button. Here you can see download a button. You can click here to download this game application, or you can scan this code to download this game application. You can run this game application in your Android device. Guys, if you want this HTML code of game application, then you can send SMS on my Telegram ID. If you want to learn more about app development, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.